EXCITECH is a professional manufacturer of woodwork machinery and an automatic solution provider, including R&D of control system and software. Its Shandong production base is located in Jinan National High-Tech Development Zone, with a production area of 48,000 square meters. Main products include dust-free nesting machines, six-sided drilling machines, and Industry 4.0 automation-related products. The Guangdong production base is situated in Haoqing Dawang National High-Tech Zone, with a production area of 96,000 square meters. Main products are edgebanders, packaging machines and packaging line, robotic technologies, and panel saw. EXCITECH dedicates to supplying Industry 4.0 solutions to furniture manufacturers. Comprehensive product range: nesting, edgebanding, six-sided drilling machines, panel saw, smart packaging solutions, robotic technologies, storage systems, and sorting systems. First-class quality standard, top brand components, meticulous production procedures, and machining techniques are the foundation of reliable products. EXCITECH commits itself to provide machines with long service life under industrial production scenarios. Its products and quality have been recognized by customers from over 100 countries and districts. EXCITECH is the market leader of automation with leading numbers of successful installations.